Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well and following the guidelines given by medical professionals. Right now, we should be using guidance from all the subjects which are directly related to our health, like yoga, meditation, Ayurveda, and Vastu Science. Since most of us are home, this can be a perfect time to balance and enhance energies of the zone north of northeast. According to the ancient scriptures, the two energies of this zone, Apaha and Bhujag, are responsible for preserving health and destroying illness. If we unknowingly cause disturbance in this zone by placing articles, colors, objects, activities, or decor of opposing elements, we are lowering the strength of these energies, and as a result, we are negatively influencing our health. To keep energies and elements of this zone balanced, I highly recommend you to keep it free from clutter and avoid placing shades of red, copper objects, paintings which dominantly display red shades, garbage containers. Basically, avoid placing objects of fire and earth elements here. If a permanent fixture of these elements are placed, such as toilet, water heater, fireplace, and stove, I suggest you get a professional help from Vastu Practitioner, as this can be easily corrected without constructional changes. I want to thank all medical professionals, including my wife, who are working day and night to cure the affected ones. We must and should support medical professionals by staying at home to prevent the spread of coronavirus. Take care and stay safe.